Are you tired of paying top dollar for freelance services? Well, guess what? These 5 AI tools can replace freelancers in no time, saving you money and boosting your productivity. And the best part? They're super easy to use. So even if you're not tech savvy, don't worry, you'll be a pro in no time. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. You may have heard of this one before because it's been making waves recently, but believe me, it's worth a second mention. ChatGPT is like having a personal AI assistant that can help you with anything from writing to research. You can use it to generate ideas, write content, summarize articles, answer questions, and so much more. It's like having a personal AI assistant. The best thing about ChatGPT is its user-friendly interface. All you need to do is type in your request, and it will respond accordingly. It's like talking to a real person, but faster and more efficient. ChatGPT uses natural language processing and generation (NLG) algorithms to understand and respond to your requests. It has been trained on a massive amount of data, which allows it to generate human-like responses that are relevant and coherent. Overall, ChatGPT is an incredibly versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of purposes. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to learn more about AI, I highly recommend checking it out. Okay, next on our list is MidJourney, an AI-powered tool that can help you with graphic design. Now, I know what you're thinking. Are you kidding me? I'm not a designer. I don't know how to use this. Well, don't worry. You don't need to be a graphic design guru to use MidJourney. It's incredibly easy to use even for beginners. All you need to do is describe what you want, and MidJourney will create a beautiful design for you. It's like having a personal graphic designer at your fingertips. What makes MidJourney stand out is its ability to generate unique and creative designs that you won't find anywhere else. With just a few clicks of a button, you can create stunning visuals that will make your brand or business stand out from the crowd. So whether you need a logo, artwork, or marketing collateral, MidJourney is the perfect tool for the job. So why wait? Give it a try today and see how easy graphic design can be. Have you ever wanted to create videos like this? Maybe you want to promote your business, or maybe you want to share your knowledge with the world. Well, you don't need to be a video production expert to do this anymore. Thanks to Pictory, an AI video creation tool that can create professional videos in seconds. No editing skills needed. Yes, you heard that right. In seconds. You can create videos by simply inputting a script or a blog post, and Picto will do the rest. It will create a video with a voiceover, graphics, and music that perfectly matches the tone of your script. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. You don't need to download any software or hire a video editor. You can do everything from the comfort of your web browser. So whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or anyone who wants to create professional-looking videos, Picto is the perfect tool for you. So why wait? Try Picto today and see how easy video creation can be. Let's be honest, building a website can be a daunting task. You need to choose a domain name, find a hosting provider, select a template, and customize it to match your brand. Not to mention, you also need to ensure that your website is mobile responsive and loads quickly. But what if I told you that you could build a complete website in under a minute without knowing any coding? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Thanks to Durable, an AI website builder that can create a fully functional website in just 60 seconds. All you need to do is describe your business, and Durable will take care of the rest. It will generate a unique domain name, find a hosting provider, select a template, and customize it to match your brand. Durable also ensures that your website is mobile responsive and loads quickly, so you don't have to worry about technical aspects either. So whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or anyone looking to build a website, I highly recommend checking out Durable. It's the easiest and fastest way to build a professional-looking website without any technical knowledge. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I pay a voice actor when I can use AI to do it for free? Well, here's the thing. AI voiceovers might be good enough for some applications, but they're not going to replace voice actors anytime soon. Sure, you can use AI voice generators like ElevenLabs to create realistic-sounding voices for your projects, but they're not going to replace the nuance, emotion, and expressiveness that a professional voice actor brings to the table. Think about it. When you listen to an AI voiceover, you can tell that it's generated by a computer program. It might sound technically proficient, but it lacks the warmth and personality of a human voice. On the other hand, a professional voice actor can convey emotions and add inflections that make the listening experience more engaging and enjoyable. Ultimately, while AI voiceovers might be a useful tool for some applications, they're not going to replace the artistry and skill of a professional voice actor anytime soon. So the next time you need a voice for your project, consider hiring a real voice actor. You might pay a bit more, but you'll get a product that's truly one of a kind. So there you have it, folks, 5 AI tools that can replace freelancers. Hopefully this video has opened your mind to the endless possibilities of AI and how it can be used to simplify our lives. Remember, AI isn't replacing opportunity, it's creating it. We're just at the beginning of this technological revolution, and the possibilities are truly endless. As more and more people adopt AI into their workflows, we'll see new opportunities and use cases emerge. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with these tools. Try out different combinations and see what works best for you. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, why not try your hand at creating your own AI tools? Who knows, you might just be the next big thing in the AI space. But before you go off on your AI journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We post weekly videos on how to turn technology into income, including how to use AI to make money. Thanks for watching and happy innovating.